How great thou art, jong rwai.
We share a acclamation.